Hello everyone and welcome back to PixMux. Today I'm going to show you how to install VLC Media Player. First thing you want to do is open Google Chrome or your web browser of choice and search for VLC Player. Make sure that you're getting it from the proper site. This one here is the one you want to click. Download. You can choose to donate or not. It's a great product if you do want to donate. Go to downloads, hit save. I always like to show it in the folder after I download it. Double click it to execute the installer. Hit yes, English, next, next. Here you can choose what you want to keep and what you don't want to keep. I'm going to install all of it. This is where you can choose your installation location. Choose install. And then you wait and wait and wait. And now I'm going to run it as soon as it's finished. I allow those and hit continue. And now you have VLC Media Player.